Happy Sunday, everybody. Today's topic is you've done harder things than this. Hey, it's Dr. Rose. Welcome to Self-Talk Sunday. If your inner critic has been extra loud lately, I want you to hear this loud and clear. You have done harder things than this. We all have moments when a lifestyle change feels too big. I can't cut carbs. I can't skip dessert. I can't say no to my favorite foods. And when those thoughts come, they feel true because they're comfortable. But I want you to take a step back and ask yourself this. Compared to what? Have you been through heartbreak, grief, lost a job, had to be the strong one when you didn't feel strong? Have you raised kids, buried parents, changed careers, started over in your 40s or 50s, or battled through illness? Because I bet you have. And if you've done that, you can do this. Skipping the breadbasket isn't the same as rebuilding after loss. Tracking protein isn't surviving a financial crisis or showing up for a loved one with declining health. This is not the hardest thing. We minimize what we already overcome because it's in the past. But you are here today because you did hard things and you lived to tell the story. This is just your next challenge. And truthfully, it's not harder. It's just different. And it's new. I remember years ago when I was over 250 pounds and facing the long road of a health recovery. It wasn't the scale that scared me. It was the voice in my head that kept whispering, "You failed before. What makes this time different?" But I answered back, I have done harder things than this. And that became my anchor. Not motivation, not discipline, remembrance. Because if I could walk through grief and show up for others and navigate a body that was in pain, then I could choose eggs over a bagel. I could say no to a sugary snack. I could heal my body one strong step at a time. So today I want to remind you, you've already proven your strength. This isn't your Everest. This is a hill with a view. And every small choice you make is a step towards something better. Hard does not mean impossible. It just means you're growing. Drop a comment if this hits home today. And if you're ready for a new mantra this week, let it be this. I've done harder things. I can do this too. I'm Dr. Rose. I'll see you tomorrow for another Daily Spoonful.